Did you know that showing up for a moderate workout consistently is more effective than sporadic bursts of intense exercise? It's a common misconception that you need to push yourself to the limit every time you work out to see results. However, the reality is quite different. Consistency, even at a moderate level, can lead to significant improvements in your fitness and overall health. It's true. Many people believe that crushing a high-intensity workout once in a blue moon is the key to fitness success. They think that if they can just push through one grueling session, they'll be on the fast track to their fitness goals. But this approach often leads to burnout, injury, and a lack of motivation to continue. However, research actually shows that consistent, moderate exercise trumps infrequent, intense workouts when it comes to achieving long-term results. Studies have demonstrated that people who engage in regular, moderate physical activity are more likely to maintain their fitness levels and achieve their health goals over time. This is because moderate exercise is more sustainable and less likely to cause injury or burnout. This surprising fact highlights a crucial aspect of fitness often overlooked: consistency. By making exercise a regular part of your routine, you create a habit that becomes easier to maintain. This habit not only helps you stay physically fit, but also has positive effects on your mental health, reducing stress and improving your overall well-being. It's not about how hard you go once in a while, it's about showing up for yourself consistently. When you commit to regular exercise, you build a foundation that supports your long-term health and fitness goals. This foundation is crucial for making progress and seeing lasting results. This principle applies whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or simply improving your overall health. No matter what your fitness objectives are, consistency is the key to success. By showing up regularly and putting in the effort, you set yourself up for long-term achievements and a healthier lifestyle. In the following sections of this video, why consistency beats intensity in fitness for beginners, we'll explore why consistency is the true game changer in your fitness journey. We'll delve into the science behind habit formation, share tips for staying motivated, and provide practical advice for incorporating regular exercise into your daily life. Stay tuned to learn how you can harness the power of showing up to transform your fitness journey and achieve your goals. What exactly do we mean by fitness consistency? It's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but its true essence is often overlooked. It's about making exercise a regular part of your life, just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. These are activities we do without even thinking about them because they are ingrained in our daily routines. Similarly, fitness consistency is about establishing a sustainable routine you can stick to, even on days when motivation is low. It's about creating habits that become second nature so you don't have to rely on willpower alone. This doesn't mean you have to work out for hours every single day. In fact, overcommitting can lead to burnout and make it harder to maintain consistency in the long run. It's about finding a rhythm that works for you and committing to it. Maybe it's a morning jog, a lunchtime yoga session, or an evening weightlifting routine. The key is to find what fits into your lifestyle. Whether it's 3 days a week at the gym or a mix of different activities spread throughout the week, the goal is to keep moving. Daily walks in your neighborhood can be just as effective as more intense workouts. Walking is a low-impact exercise that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Or perhaps you enjoy cycling, swimming, or doing Pilates at home. The key is regularity. Consistency in any form of physical activity is what leads to long-term benefits. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Even a short burst of activity can have positive effects on your health and well-being. Even on days when you can't dedicate a full hour to exercise, a short 15-minute workout is better than skipping it altogether. These small efforts add up over time. So, the next time you feel like skipping your workout, remember that consistency is the unsung hero of fitness. It's the small, regular efforts that lead to big, lasting changes. Why is consistency so crucial? First and foremost, it leads to sustainable results. Crash diets and extreme workout regimens might offer quick fixes, but they're often difficult to maintain. They can also be detrimental to your health in the long run. Consistency, on the other hand, allows you to gradually improve your fitness level without overwhelming your body. This approach promotes long-term adherence, meaning you're more likely to stick with your routine and achieve lasting results. Secondly, consistent exercise offers a wealth of health benefits beyond weight management. Regular physical activity strengthens your cardiovascular system, improves bone density, boosts your mood, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. It's an investment in your present and future well-being. Moreover, consistency is a powerful motivator in itself. When you start seeing positive changes in your body and overall health, it fuels your desire to keep going. Each workout becomes a step towards a healthier, fitter you, creating a positive feedback loop that reinforces your commitment to your fitness journey. My own fitness journey, a testament to consistency. I've experienced the power of consistency firsthand. It's a principle that has guided me through various aspects of my life, but nowhere has it been more impactful than in my fitness journey. As a doctor with a demanding schedule, finding time for exercise wasn't always easy. My days were filled with patient consultations, surgeries, and endless paperwork. Often I found myself working late into the night, leaving little room for personal time, let alone a workout. However, I made a conscious decision to prioritize my health and incorporate regular workouts into my routine. I realized that if I didn't take care of my own health, I wouldn't be able to take care of my patients effectively. This mindset shift was crucial. I started small, committing to short workouts a few times a week. Initially it was just 15 minutes of exercise, but those 15 minutes were non-negotiable. I treated them as an essential part of my day, just like any important meeting or appointment. Over time, I gradually increased the duration and intensity of my workouts as my fitness level improved. What began as a modest effort soon evolved into a more comprehensive fitness regimen. I started incorporating different types of exercises, from strength training to cardio, to keep things interesting and challenging. The key was to be consistent, even on days when I felt tired or overwhelmed. There were times when I was tempted to skip a workout, especially after a long, exhausting day at the hospital. But I reminded myself of the long-term benefits and pushed through. The results spoke for themselves. I began to see changes not just in my physical appearance, but in my overall well-being. My stamina increased, my strength improved, and I felt more agile and energetic. Not only did I notice significant improvements in my physical health, but I also experienced a profound sense of accomplishment. Each milestone I reached, whether it was lifting a heavier weight or running an extra mile, fueled my motivation to keep going. But I also experienced increased energy levels, improved focus, and a more positive outlook on life. Exercise became my outlet, a way to relieve stress and recharge. It taught me the value of perseverance and the incredible impact of staying consistent no matter the challenges. Consistency breeds motivation, not the other way around. Many people wait for motivation to strike before they start exercising. But here's the secret. Motivation often follows action, not the other way around. When you commit to showing up consistently, even when you don't feel like it, you build momentum. And momentum is a powerful motivator. So, don't wait for the perfect time or the right mood to start your fitness journey. Start today, and let consistency be your guide. Remember, even small steps taken consistently can lead to remarkable results over time. The bottom line, slow and steady, wins the race. In the world of fitness, consistency trumps intensity every time. While those high-intensity workouts might seem appealing, it's the consistent effort that truly makes a difference. Building a sustainable routine, focusing on long-term progress, and reaping the physical and mental benefits of regular exercise are all made possible through consistency. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. So, lace up your shoes, find an activity you enjoy, and commit to showing up for yourself consistently. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Thank you for watching this video, Why Consistency Beats Intensity in Fitness for Beginners. Share your story and keep the momentum going. Have you experienced the power of consistency in your own fitness journey? Share your story in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire others and highlight the incredible impact of consistent effort. Ready to dive deeper? For more tips on building a sustainable fitness routine and staying motivated, check out my video on creating healthy habits that stick. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier you counts. Keep up the great work.